Sawadee Krap. Good morning, YouTube. How is it going, guys? Today is mid-May 2025, and we are here at finally arrived at Hua Lamphong railway station, which is acting as a central station. Railway central station here in Bangkok is the old school station, and now they open something called the Bangkok station further north, and we got here, so might as well to take a quick walking tour of the station. And before we start, and see, I found a bubble tea shop here, and it's like as low as 15 baht per tea. Wow, 15 baht, that's really cheap. Yeah, I really appreciate the low price here in Bangkok. I 19 baht. 19 baht is like 19 baht, not 15 baht. 19 baht is like it's a little bit more than 50 cents US, or is close to 80 something cents Canadian. I don't know much about pounds and euros, but yeah. And to the right hand side, so to the left hand side, we see that's the main hall of the Hua Lamphong. And hey, looks there's a tunnel and elevator, escalator somewhere here. So this one may be the subway station, since my train is not due to like 1 hour something later. So might as well just take a quick walk. I still have 1 hour window, and yeah, probably just take a 10-minute walk. Should be good. Okay, so there's a MRT station here. MRT station. Fortunately, this morning it took me around 1 hour walk to get to here. So, but my place wasn't any close to MRT anyways. So might as well just take a quick city tour to here. Now I'm in the tunnel, and I can feel zero HVAC, no air conditioning. Okay, I'm starting to feel something. Not a lot, just a little bit. And well, Central Station, Hua Lamphong, and there's nobody here. What's going on? I thought it should be something as busy as as Union Station in Toronto or Central Station in New York, but nope. It's basically like empty, just myself and this gentleman. Okay. Broadcasting is saying something. If I understand what's going on. Unfortunately, I don't.
Attention please. Due to security measures, all passengers are requested to declare your belongings. Thank you for cooperation.
Okay, so it says security inspections is required prior to get into the station, something like that. Okay, this one looks like a miniature showroom, something. Wow, that's far to get to the trains. Okay, I gotta turn around. This is too much walking now. Okay. But yeah, so I didn't bother to take the MRT since the MRT wasn't closed anyways, and it would take me 30 plus something minutes to get to MRT and then hop on the MRT train. Well, might as well just come here on foot. Easier this way to me. And then I got the tickets already, So basically it's gonna cost me, so it cost me how much? It cost me 15 baht. So to get to Ayutthaya, 15 baht is less than 50 cents US and 70 cents Canadian, maybe 40 cents Euro, or I don't know how to point 0.4 pounds maybe.
รวมถึงรอหันเส้นสีเหลืองก่อนแสดงเหนือหรือแบบโดยสารและกรุณายกสัมภาระหรืออุ้มเด็ก
So basically the train is really affordable here and of course slow as well. So it will be pretty slow, and I was told that it's gonna take more than 1 hour to get to Ayutthaya, which is one of the ancient city here in Thailand. And please my ticket. Make sure my ticket is sitting there okay. So conclusion one is never easy to get to the MRT subway. Even though the entrance is here, but it's so far away to reach the actual subway. And this bakery and another bubble tea shops at 65 baht per order versus the 19 baht per order. That one looks pretty good. So after filming, when I'm done with this video, I will take a break and I have some bubble tea for sure. Okay, back to the main hall. There's been almost like 6 years since I last got here. Okay, I got to change the white balance quick. Okay, now it's better. So this is the main hall of Hua Lamphong Station, and that's the picture of before. Also, one more picture of nowadays, of the modern day of Hua Lamphong. And
โปรดทราบผู้โดยสารที่จะเดินทางกับขบวนรถธรรมดาขบวนที่
actually, it's not bad. It feels like there's hatchback here.
เวลาในการทำงาน
I don't feel hot at all. I feel
กรุณานำสัมภาระของท่าน
it's
ขึ้นข
really
บวน
good.
ได้
I don't remember if there is any air conditioning last time when I got here, but this stuff actually is really good. Then after the gate is the platform, and my train is on platform number 7. And the train is not going till 11:15 something. So, okay. Interesting. They are still running old school, like old school. It looks more like a coal running, charcoal coal mine, burning chain. It looks more like it. Or these guys are just decorations. I assume those are decorations. Those are not the actual chains they are running. Yeah, it's too clean. It's way too clean, and it's way too clean. There's no way. So those are the old school like steam powered chain, or yeah, steam powered chain, I assume. Let me see if I can find some steam wheels. See, look at the wheels. Those are shiny new. It's impossible. And the second one, the 518. This one it looks more like a coach. Hey, there's ventilation. Ventilation means there's engine in it. Yeah, there's a heat sink, heat dissipator, heat sink. Oh. And by taking a look at the actual rail, the rail looks like a little bit narrower. It's more like a local standard instead of the North America standard. Okay, see, that's the old school, yeah, locomotive, whatever you call it. And there's a gate down there. Maybe that gate is just to feed the fuel, which is the charcoal or coal. One more locomotive. This one looks a little bit more complicated, and yeah, those are way too old school, and I can't even recognize those mechanisms. Oh, how about the 278? This locomotive. Hey, finally we see some gauges. Hey. So I was told platform number 7. Obviously I don't see 7 rails here. I see 4. Couple more to the right. And the good news is there's no hatchback in the commuter chain. I believe it's 209 to Ayutthaya. Do I really care? That's okay. Didn't bother me. It's not gonna bother me too much. 2 months ahead. Okay, Sawadee Krap. Yep, monks. They are here in Bangkok. They got the higher status in the society. That's the fancy washroom. No, I'm not gonna film the washroom, but yeah. And here is the info center. Industrial fans here creating some circulation, making it feels comfortable here in the main hall. And by passing this gate, see what we have got. That's the street. Hey. Alright, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching my video of the Hua Lamphong railway station tour. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please consider like and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the video updates. And I will see you guys next time. Cheers.